Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says solve. We have 1.2 minus 0.7, and then we're going to multiply that by 2.4 plus 0.34. So we want to remember order of operations, and that means we're going to solve what's inside this set of parentheses first, and then what's inside this set of parentheses next, because we always go from left to right in our problem. So for my first set of parentheses, I am going to subtract. I have 1.2 and I'm subtracting that 0.7. This is like the same thing as subtracting 7 from 12. So you can count up if you want, and you're going to get 5. But in this case, because we're dealing with a decimal, it needs to be 0.5. Now I'm going to deal with what's in my second set of parentheses, and I'm going to add that. So I have 2.4 plus 0.34. I'm going to add a 0 in right here to fill in that space. 47.2. Now, when I look at my problem, I see that I need to multiply these two things together. See, the 1.2 minus 0.7 turned into the 0.5, and the 2.4 plus the 0.34 turned into 2.74. So now I'm going to multiply these two together. So now that's a 2.74 times 0.5, and I'm left with 1 37/100. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math where you can get a live math tutor who can help you with all of your math needs.